Oh, where's the... Oh. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I was there. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what I got here, guys. Popeyes. Several of you reached out to me suggesting I try the, not even on the menu that I could see, the Blackened Chicken Fingers, or whatever they're called, from Popeyes. And I was intrigued, so I had to check this out. I guarantee you there was 4 or 5 people that suggested I try this. So here we are, and we're gonna give them things a try. I got a meal. They look small, so I got a 5-piece. Of course, comes with a biscuit and some fries. We're gonna try them also, and I did get some coleslaw. I like their coleslaw, so I had to get some of that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this. I'm at least gonna eat the chicken fingers. We'll go from there. So guys, they're very hot. They're very hot. They're deep fried. I thought they would be skillet or on a griddle or something, or grilled, but no, it looks like they're deep fried with seasoning. So let's give this thing a taste, guys. That's what we're here for. They're hot. I don't know what all that seasoning is, but that is tasty. Oh my god. Definitely deep fried. Deep fried, no breading. Got a little, I have no idea what's in that seasoning, but it's bold. Kind of spicy, a little bit. Not really heat, it's just, there is a little heat. I'm getting a little heat now. It's not real bad, but there is a little heat there. That is good. I got some ranch dip. I'm definitely gonna be dipping these in ranch. Yeah. I know there was, I know at least 4 or 5 people. I don't want to name you because I'm going to miss someone and I'll mess it up. But thank you for suggesting this to me. That is excellent, guys. I've had their fries before. They're also good. I've always enjoyed their fries. The biscuit, we'll chow on that. Really good. I want to, if I can get to it, I want to open up this ranch. Get it off of me. That'd definitely be good in the ranch. Oh, so tasty. Good call on the ranch. Good call. I'm making a mess of my truck, guys. I don't want to leave out the coleslaw. I ordered that special. Coleslaw, always good. That's a pretty good helping too. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Tell you what, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna sit here and finish my lunch, go back to work. We don't have a Popeyes in the near vicinity of my work, so I rushed out at lunchtime, made a quick about 5-mile drive over here to the closest one I could get to, and I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna rush back to work. So that's how we're gonna handle that. So guys, thank you as always. I hope you enjoy these reviews. Leave me a suggestion what you want me to review. I'll try to accommodate as much as possible. If there's any frozen food you want me to try, I'm open to that. Depending on what it is, of course, and we'll go from there on that. So guys, thank you as always, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.